In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your labels in Gmail. If your left sidebar is getting crowded and you only want to keep your most important labels visible, hiding the ones you don't need every day is a simple way to clean things up without deleting anything. Start by opening Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left sidebar where your labels and categories appear. If you don't see all of your labels, that's normal. Gmail collapses the list to keep things tidy. Click the More option in that sidebar to expand the full list. This reveals everything, including an option that helps you control what's visible. Next, click Manage Labels. This takes you to a page where Gmail lists your system labels and the labels you've created. Here, you can quickly review what's showing and what's hidden. Take a moment to skim the list so you're familiar with where everything lives. Now, look toward the bottom of this page for a column labeled Show in Label List. This column controls what appears on the left sidebar of your inbox. For each label, you'll see options next to its name. When you find a label you don't want to see in the sidebar, click Hide in that Show in Label List column. That's the key action. You're not removing the label from Gmail or from your messages. You're just telling Gmail not to display it on the sidebar. This helps reduce visual clutter while keeping your labels fully functional in the background. If you organize with many labels or sublabels, go through them one by one and click Hide only on the ones you don't need quick access to. You can be selective here. Keep your most used labels visible and hide the rest. As you make changes, think about how you actually work in your inbox. The goal is to surface what you use daily and tuck away the rest so you're not distracted. After you've chosen which labels to hide, that's it. Your sidebar will feel lighter, your most important labels will stand out, and everything else will still be available whenever you need it. Hiding labels does not affect your messages, filters, or label organization. It simply changes what you see on the left. Thanks for watching. With just a few clicks, opening Gmail, expanding More, choosing Manage Labels, and using the Show in Label List column to hide specific labels, you've made your workspace cleaner and easier to navigate.